on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm out here with the Arashi fam. Got the homie John and Colton out here. You'd be surprised, these cars are static. On the way here, they're three-wheeling up of that, and that was pretty crazy. Hey, yo, Ray, say what's up, bro? Yes, sir. And this is Dylan's car right here. Cleanest car in the Arashi. Hey, chill out, dude. You popped the fuse. Oh, you popped the fuse? Yeah. This car. We're about to go eat at Wabi House. I've been here like once. It's pretty good. Check out this spot. They guys eating that. I'm gonna break my neck eating this. The view ain't that bad out here. Kind of ghetto out here, but it's cool. Appreciate it, bro. Man, we destroyed that shit. The dude had to take his shirt off. Hey, you know this ain't a Arashi video without install. Shit's always been flopping. So crazy. Oh, Andrew's here.
Damn, you heard him?
Oh shit. Andrew just pulled up. Oh, he about to air out? What's up, guys? Alright, Colton, if you're watching this, bro, have a good day at work, dog. Got the whole crew out here. We rolling hella deep. Alright, guys, so we're about to go head out to my house so we can pick up this fool's car. And then we're gonna go, what's that meet? Cars and Boba or some shit like that? Yeah, we're gonna go there, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. But enjoy some of these rollers. I hope they turn out pretty sick.
It was me, Ty and Freddie G, plotting on the green. Now I'm rich as a bitch, touring overseas. It was me, McMillan SB, plotting on the drain. Now we live it, visions vivid, I've been getting to the crane. She robbed me like a SIT, but a friend robbed me like a rape. I make the bank close, if I take my savings out, they think I'm robbing the bank. Fuck out my face, fuck nigga, you fake. That shit cliche, yeah I know I keep Dracos right next to my safe. Keep it there to keep money and family safe. Look at me, with this.
Yo, oh shit, it's hella blurry. Come on, let me let it focus. Guys, we are now at the boba meet and there are so many cars. Got the whole Arashi lineup. Check out Stina's bumper, she just got it painted. It looks really good. Yeah, I'm already breaking necks. And now we are about to banner up. It's about time. They got some sun strips, so it's gonna be fun to install. We got 2 sun strips to install, I think.
Hey, banner install on the budget.
Hey Eric, I'm sorry, you got to buy a new banner probably.
Oh shit, oh shit.
I'll play.
Hopefully we don't fuck it up. What's up, bro? How you doing? Oh shit, Mr. Hot Boy.
I gotta go more right. Go more right, yeah.
Right there.
Right there. Fucking lay down.
Fuck it.
Oh, that'll look good.
No. Right.
Oh shit, BB Nande. What's up, Cliffside? Dude, you guys follow him right here. He makes some sick ass cinematics and shit. Okay, Dylan, I see you.
Yes, sir.
Man, Eric's banded up now. Finally, dude. Oh man, not the Royal. All right, we are now walking around the meet and there's a lot of cars for you guys to see. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys all these cars, but hopefully you find yourself in this video. I don't even know where to start, bro.
I don't know. There's so much to overwhelming.
Yeah. Hey, nice car, dude. That shit's clean. What the fuck? That shit. Oh. This banner is $80. 80 for one, right?
Yeah, 80 for one.
$80 for one of these. That's so crazy.
It's reflective though.
A reflective banner too. That's baller. I pay 80 for that. Right now they're installing Andrew's Sunstrip. It was a little bit too short, but this man Dylan can make anything work. It's really good. I'll show you guys when it's done. All right, so if you guys don't know, Damien, if you guys want to follow him right here, he is my photographer for Arashi, and he's gonna be shooting our promo, so I just wanted to hook him up with some free gear. I'm not sure when this will be out, but I'll let you guys know. Hey, clean. Yes, sir. Got the dreams come with a prize. Looking clean, man. No problem. We multitasking right now. Getting some of the merch shots. Thank you guys. Damn.
New daily, guys.
Nino, I'm seeing this new daily.
You know the vibe.
I wish my wheels were that clean. I didn't get to show you guys, but they just installed Andrew's banner and it looks sick. Personally, me, I would have gone with like a matte black, but it still looks really cool. What?
Can we zoom in on this real quick? What?
Hey, don't spill my boy like that. Put trash in here. What happened?
Talking about Esteban's car.
Oh, dude, Esteban, you got the best car in the crew, bro.
Hell yeah.
I love your Honda Civic.
Appreciate it, bro.
We are trying to find a place to eat at.
Fridays?
Today's Sunday. Hey, we about to go inside Dylan's whip. Yes, sir. Bro, how do you even see in here? It's too dark. Yeah, Rowhead, let's go. Damn, homie, where you at, bro? Okay, guys, so we went to Chili's and they didn't let us eat there. But now we are at BBQ Chicken. That's conveniently 5 minutes away. But we got everyone parked out here. I just want to show you guys the cars again. Damn, bro. Oh, we thick.
What's up? Esteban's. I'm about to get. We here. It's your boy DK Dylan out here. Yeah. DK Dylan. Arashi gang. Yeah.
Yeah, all the boys.
Yeah. Gang. All the boys. Yes, sir. Hold on. Let me take the mask off.
Yo, put your mask on, bitch.
She just got back. My bad. Where your mask at, motherfucker?
Yeah, I ain't got one, bro.
Say what's up. Say what's up to the camera. I'm here about to be grubbing good. Yo. This shit not even focusing, bro. That's how you build up your fucking immune system right here, bro. They drink out this shit and we drinking out of it. They don't even wash these cups right here.
You just scared me, bro.
Hey, how'd you get that?
Hey, this that toilet water, bro.
Hey, Arashi 2021, let's go, let's go. Oh shit, they got more. Hey John, what did we get, bro?
2 honey garlic, 2 soy garlic, and 1 wings of fire.
Oh shit, the drink just touched down. What you get? Yogurt soju?
Yeah, strawberry.
Strawberry soju with ice cream in there. I got the coconut. Y'all will catch me drinking that and a White Claw. Let's go ahead and drink this. Arashi 2021, baby. All right, this is 10 minutes later. We just destroyed everything. Hello? Yeah. Damn, $200, bro. $200 on us.
260 something, bro. Chill out.
It's not showing, guys, but all this shit was 260. Hey, like for it to be honest. Like, hey, rate.
Oh, those look nice.
All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It's pretty fun hanging out with the squad today. But we'll see y'all in the next video.
It was me, Ty and Freddie G, plotting on the green. Now I'm rich as a bitch, touring overseas. It was me, McMillan SB, plotting on the drain. Now we live it, visions vivid, I've been getting to the crane. She robbed me like a SIT, but a friend robbed me like a rape. I make the bank close if I take my savings out, they think I'm robbing the bank. Fuck out my face, fuck nigga, you fake. That shit cliche, yeah, I know I keep Dracos right next to my safe. Keep it there to keep money and family safe. Look at me. With this music shit, I'm a god. For release, for this shit, I'm thinking.